I will never look at these facts the same way after learning this. These are some of the most astonishing and mind-blowing facts that will change the way you see the world. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into some truly incredible and surprising pieces of information that you probably never knew before. Each fact is more fascinating than the last, and by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on the world around you. You won't believe these 10 crazy things. Get ready to have your mind blown. From ancient history to the wonders of nature and even some quirky trivia, we've got it all covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this journey of discovery. 1. Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Imagine tasting something that was made thousands of years ago. Honey's unique chemical composition and low water content make it resistant to bacteria and spoilage. This means that the honey you have in your pantry could potentially last forever, just like the honey found in those ancient tombs. It's a sweet reminder of the ingenuity of nature and the ancient civilizations that discovered its properties. 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Talk about extra love. These fascinating creatures are truly unique in the animal kingdom. 2 of their hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart pumps it to the rest of the body. This incredible adaptation allows them to thrive in the deep, dark depths of the ocean. Additionally, octopuses are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities, making them one of the most intriguing creatures in the sea. Their ability to change color and texture to blend into their surroundings is just another example of their remarkable capabilities. 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Who's naming these fruits anyway? It's amazing how botanical classifications can be so different from what we expect. In botanical terms, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. By this definition, bananas, along with cucumbers and kiwis, are true berries. On the other hand, strawberries are considered aggregate fruits because they form from multiple ovaries of a single flower. This quirky fact highlights the complexity and sometimes confusing nature of plant classification. 1. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Space is weird. The planet's slow rotation makes for some very long days. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, but only about 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This means that a single day on Venus, one full rotation, is actually longer than a Venusian year, one full orbit. The planet's thick atmosphere and extreme surface temperatures add to its otherworldly characteristics, making it one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. 1. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they're apart. Moving, isn't it? These gentle giants have deep emotional bonds. Studies have shown that cows form close friendships with certain individuals and can become visibly stressed when separated from their companions. This social behavior is similar to that of humans and other animals, highlighting the importance of companionship and social bonds in the animal kingdom. Next time you see a herd of cows, remember that they have their own social networks and friendships just like we do. 1. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. Blink and you missed it. This was the Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896. The conflict began when the Sultan of Zanzibar refused to step down after the British demanded his abdication. The British forces quickly overpowered the Sultan's defences, and the war was over in less than an hour. This brief but intense conflict serves as a reminder of the sometimes fleeting nature of historical events and the rapid pace at which they can unfold. 1. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Yep, you heard that right. Cube-shaped. This unique trait helps prevent their droppings from rolling away. Wombats have a very slow digestive process which allows their intestines to shape the feces into cubes. This peculiar adaptation is thought to help mark their territory and communicate with other wombats. It's just one of the many fascinating and unusual traits of these adorable marsupials. 1. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift apart. Utterly adorable. This behavior is called rafting. By holding hands, sea otters create a physical connection that keeps them together while they rest on the water's surface. This not only prevents them from drifting away, but also provides a sense of security and bonding. Sea otters are known for their playful and social nature, and this charming behavior is just one example of their close-knit family groups. 1. A single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. Italian Lessons 101. Next time you eat pasta, you can impress your friends with this fun fact. The Italian language has specific terms for singular and plural forms of many words, and spaghetto is the singular form of spaghetti. This little linguistic tidbit adds a touch of sophistication to your culinary knowledge and makes for a great conversation starter at dinner parties. 1. You can't hum while holding your nose. Go ahead, try it. It's a fun little experiment you can do right now. The reason you can't hum with your nose held is that humming requires air to pass through your nasal passages. When you block your nose, the airflow is restricted, making it impossible to produce the humming sound. This simple yet intriguing fact is a great way to engage with others and share a moment of curiosity and wonder. Mind blown yet? Hit that like button if you learned something new. Share these incredible facts with your friends and family. The world is full of amazing and unexpected wonders, and there's always something new to discover. By sharing these facts, you can spread the joy of learning and spark curiosity in others. So, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop seeking out the extraordinary in the everyday.